Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. This week's word of the week for week number 13 is going to be vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is good because it helps support your growth, your development, and repair of body tissues, and it supports your immune system. Different foods that are rich in vitamin C are bananas, oranges, tomatoes, kiwis, peas, lettuce, and strawberries. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. So I'll see you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. Alright, ladies and gents, after reviewing the video, I did notice that I said plie squats rather than plie squats. I apologize for that. I am correcting myself. So again, the word is plie, not plies. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, so for Fast 5 workout number 13, here are the following exercises. Number 1, step back knee ups. 2, tiptoe plie squats. 3, star planks. 4, donkey kicks. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go. Exercise number 1, step back, knee ups. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet together. You're gonna either step with your right foot or left foot. For this demonstration, I'll start with my right foot. I'm gonna step back and then I'm gonna come up as if I'm trying to get my hands to touch my knees like this, okay? So back and forth, okay? You're gonna do that 3 times on your right, and then you'll switch it up. Same thing, step back and touch your knees. Back and touch your knees 3 times and then go back and forth, okay? Exercise number 2, tiptoe plie squats. You're gonna go ahead and point your feet out, okay? Away from your body. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go squat down and then you're gonna go on your toes and then down. On your toes and then down. You're gonna make sure that your heel, which is the back part of your foot, does not come down. You're strictly staying on your toes, okay? On your toes the whole time. Squat position on your toes, okay? You'll feel it in the inside of your legs. All right, then we got star planks, kind of similar to how we do star jacks. We're gonna do the same thing, but in a plank position. So we're gonna get down into a plank position, push your plank position. Right hand's gonna go out at an angle, left hand, same thing, as well as my feet at a diagonal. And we're gonna hold that position like a star, okay? Last but not least, we got donkey kicks. So I'm gonna go and turn this way so you can see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my hands in a push-up plank position. I'm gonna put my right foot back, I'm gonna kick out. Okay, as straight as you can. Bring in and kick out. Bring in, kick out. You're gonna do 3 on your right and then 3 on your left, back and forth. All right, so make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 13. So stay tuned. 3, 2, 1, and go. So step back and knee up. All right, switch. Go across your body like you're running a sprint. Okay, you gotta take off fast. The harder that you push, you'll feel in your obliques as well as in your legs. Good job. All right, we got those tiptoe plie squats. Point your feet out and squat on your toes. On your toes, remember, your heel does not touch the floor. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3 down. Do the best you can. These will hurt, I promise you. I'm feeling it already. Woo! All right, feel the burn, my friends. Feel the burn. If you want to challenge yourself and go lower. All right, let's go into those star planks. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Star planks. Try to keep your back straight. Bottom not up in the air. No mountains here, my friends. Alright, going. You want to tighten up your core. Just tighten up your core and you'll feel it even more. Woo! Alright, my friends. It's burning. Alright, and let's go to those donkey kicks. Ready? and go. Kick back. 1, bring back. 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. Keep going, my friends. You're doing great. Don't give up. Remember, the motto, just finish. Not just the motto, but it is a lifestyle. Keep going. There you go. Beautiful. Awesome. All right. 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. We're time to get some water. Wipe your sweat off. We're working on the whole body, my friends. And again, if you guys are interested in a certain exercise or movement, drop a comment below. Let me know. I'll try to come up, put it into a future Fast 5 workout. If you want to create your own Fast 5 workout, drop a comment down below. And again, if I can feature in another upcoming Fast 5 workout. All right, only 5 seconds left. All righty, let's go. Back up top, step back, knee up, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. And bring it up. Power, let's go. The harder you kick, and the faster you kick, the more you'll feel. Cross your body. Great job, my friends. Don't be like me, make sure you guys are breathing out through your mouth. Alright, let's get into those tiptoe fly squats. And squat low and up. Want to challenge you guys, go lower than you did the first round. Go lower. I feel it. Woo! Feel the burn. Keep going, 10 seconds left. Remember, on your heels, on your toes only. The lower you go, the more you feel it, my friends. Keep doing great. Don't give up. Just finish. Alright, remember, start planks. 2 more. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Start planks. Tighten up that core. Woo! Garcia's feeling it. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And donkey kicks. Return this way for you guys. And kick back. Go. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. Keep going, my friends. You're doing great. Last one. Everything you got. Let's finish strong. You know, my friends out there, they're not quitters. They work hard. And time. All right, my friends, make sure you guys high five yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back. Here's a virtual fist pump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 13. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite exercises, what was your least favorite exercise, and why. Let me know. I don't know. All right. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P spot, because we like to see how your students are engaging in these workouts, as well as what modifications you are making. Also, please drop a comment down below what exercises you would like to see in upcoming Fast 5 workouts. I would like to see what you guys want and then create a workout for you guys. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. So today's do-it-yourself fun PE game is called Bounce It Off. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. 4, bounce it off. Now I have one piece of tape here, which is my sideline. That can be obviously adjusted to if you guys have some chalk, if you're outside. A middle line here and another sideline here. Kind of a setup for handball, right? Now I have a bucket here. I put a 2-pound weight right here just so the bucket wouldn't move. You guys can put some bean bags in there if you're at a school, or if you're at home, you can have students put something in there so it doesn't move. All right, so here we go. What we're gonna do for level 1 is we're gonna have to bounce the ball once. Once it hits the floor, we're gonna have to bank it off the wall. And our goal is to try to make the ball, after it banks off the wall, land in the bucket. Level 1 is gonna be close to the wall. It's about 1.5, 2 feet away. And then we're gonna move on. As a reminder, first person to make it in the bucket wins this. Oh, almost got it. Oh, another one. The goal is for the student to strike using their foot, banking it off the wall, and making it land in the bucket. Striking, accuracy. Great job, that was pretty nice. Too hard. If you want to challenge yourself, try again, not using your hands, but only your feet. Oh, that looked good. Oh. Oh, and there you go. Level 1 goes to Jordan. So now what you're gonna do is have the students switch boxes. All right, so as you guys noticed, we did switch spots. Jordan moved to this square and I moved over to this square. We also did move the bucket from level 1 to level 2. This is about 4 feet away. So the ball still needs to be banked off the wall and land in the bucket. Oh! And just like that, Jordan won level 2. All right, so now we're moving on to level 3. We are gonna switch spots again, and this time the bucket is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, about 6.5 feet away. So make sure you guys stay tuned for level 3 in just a moment. Not quite. Oh, so close. Things are heating up here. Oh, another one. And that's it, folks. Level 3 is over. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game. Bounce it up. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And again, please use our hashtag, the P spot, because we like to see how you guys are modifying these games and how your students are responding to the lessons that we are providing for you guys. So again, use our hashtag, the P spot, and as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.